The big humanity shaking story that is on the headline on the table this week is, of course, the Epstein-Melania situation. So, as we all know, AG Bondi was fired, the UN demands justice, and Melania makes a obscure statement. The date this was broken was on April 2 to 20th, right? All of these events started happening. This is an ongoing escalation, and there are several very strong astrological signatures behind it. The mainstream narrative here is that in a remarkable series of events, Trump fired Attorney General Pam Bondi on April 2nd, just days before she was scheduled for a deposition on her handling of the Epstein files. Deputy AG Todd Blanche became the acting AG. Melania Trump delivered a rare public address from the White House on April 20th, denying lies linking me to the disgraceful Jeffrey Epstein. UN independent human rights experts called for an accountability for transportation victims, warning of a continued violence of patriarchal power systems. The DOJ states it found no credible evidence for further prosecution beyond Epstein and Maxwell. Please, do any of us believe that at this point? I think not. So astrologically, there's a transit of Pluto, the sun, which is going to square Pluto on April 25th, bringing up hidden systemic power, which is being forced into the light through institutional authority. Pluto rules Scorpio, which is sex, death, secrets, institutional money, all the hidden transportation, money trails. Those are all going to start to come out. In fact, there are people doing great work on it, but it's just being squashed. Every time they turn around, they're playing whack-a-mole, trying to hide that information. Well, this isn't going to stay this way. We have issues related to victorious strategies. The strategies that have brought victory in the past need to be reassessed. And this is showing up as, rather than looking like just a victorious one who's right, which has happened historically, now these victorious sort of strategies are actually starting to make people look guilty because there's more psychological understanding seeping into the mass consciousness of how these things operate. This is a very big deal, has a lot to do with wealth and the exposing of power and the favors wealthy do for each other. And this is where wealth and victory intersect, and we are re-questioning it at the most fundamental level. All of humanity is dealing with this in a very deep way. And this is all about material resource conflict. Of course, the more the everyday average human feels the pinch, the more we look at these billionaire trillionaires and this god-awful stuff and we think, somebody's got to do something about this. And that's what's going on. So the Melania statement is recognition. It's just reignites public interest rather than quieting it. It's like a textbook, Pluto and Aquarius. It attempts to suppress something and it activates it instead. And I would say that my take on Melania talking about this is, a lot of people are asking, what was her strategy? And was she trying to hurt Trump? And blah, there's really a lot of conflict in that marriage, obviously. But my take on it is that it wasn't a strategy. It was her coming out in a panicked way and making these statements in fear, basically. She got a genius permit to come to this country, but I don't think she's really that smart. Personally, that's my take. And so the alternative angle on all of this is Bondi's firing came specifically before her deposition, not after, but precisely timed to prevent sworn testimony, which presumably Melania might have been wrapped up in. Epstein Wiki, an independent tracking source, notes that the DOJ's claim of no credible evidence for further prosecution contradicts the UN experts' assessment that the files themselves constitute evidence of systemic trafficking networks extending beyond the two convicted individuals. I mean, hello, how many names are in there? I mean, you have to really be asleep not to see this, honestly. So the question being raised in alternative spaces, was Bondi fired to prevent testimony or to prevent a specific line of questioning that would have named protective individuals like Melania? So why this story happened this week is the Sun square Pluto, which perfects April 25th, hidden institutional power versus the visible, public light of day. This is the transit of forced exposure. The Epstein story is erupting again this week because the sky is demanding what Pluto always demands. What is hidden must always surface. Always, always, always. What's in the dark will be brought to the light I don't care how long you try and hide it. That's just the law of karma. If you want more, subscribe. Check out my linked video for a longer overview of what the stars say is happening this week.